Yes, students, now the next topic of the chapter is physical change and chemical change. Student, in our daily life, we are observing the changes, okay? Like when we put water in a bowl and keep it in freezer. After 2 hours, what we observe? We observe that now the liquid water is converted into ice, isn't it? That is solid form. We have also observed that the water bodies where the waters are kept gets evaporate and converts into vapors. Here the liquid water is now converted into vapor form of water, called simply vapor, isn't it? So what is this? You have also observed that when any iron article are kept open and thrown outside, or it is not painted, then we observe that rusting takes place. We have also observed when we are eating some substance, after some time it starts to give energy to us. How we gain this energy from here? This is from the digestion of food which we have taken, isn't it? That means the food is converted into energy, okay? And proper growth and development takes place in the organism. So these are what? Changes. On the basis of all these observations, now we will see whether all these changes are of same category or are of different categories. So the changes is of two types. One of the type is called physical change and one more type is called what? Chemical change. So very first we will see physical changes. Okay, that is what is physical change. Whenever any activity is performed, okay, with any substance, or okay, two or more elements or compounds, are mixed together, okay? But after doing such activity, activities no new substance forms, okay? And the substance retains its property, प्रॉपर्टीज। दैट मीन्स व्हाट, कि यदि हमने कोई एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म किया किसी भी सब्सटेंस के साथ में, जैसे मान लीजिए हमने उस सब्सटेंस को हीटिंग किया, ओके, या उसे कूल किया, या उसे बर्न किया, इट इट, अदरवाइज हमने टू या मोर देन टू सब्सटेंस को आपस में ऐड किया, दे मे बी एलिमेंट्स और दे मे बी कंपाउंड्स। तो ये एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करने के बाद में यदि कोई नया सब्सटेंस, कोई न्यू सब्सटेंस का फॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ है, और जो ओल्ड सब्सटेंस था जिसपे हमने एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म किया था, इट रिटेन्स इट्स प्रॉपर्टी, मीन्स उसकी प्रॉपर्टी में कोई केमिकल चेंज ना आया हो, ओके, उसकी जो मेन प्रॉपर्टीज होती है वो चेंज ना हो, ओके, दैट इज द सब्सटेंस रिटेन इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज ओनली, changes occurs in physical state called physical change, means उसकी सिर्फ फिजिकल स्टेट में चेंज आया हो, ओके, जैसे फिजिकल स्टेट आर व्हाट, सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस, कि हमने सब्सटेंस को हीट किया देन इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू वेपर, हमने सब्सटेंस को कूल किया देन इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू आइस, इजंट इट। यहां कोई नया सब्सटेंस नहीं बना है, कोई न्यू केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी वाला सब्सटेंस ना बना है, बल्कि ओल्ड सब्सटेंस ही प्रेजेंट है, इजंट इट। आई मीन उसके सिर्फ फिजिकल स्टेट में चेंज आया है। अब वो फिजिकल स्टेट क्या हो सकता है, इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस चेंज हो सकता है, इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर अट्रैक्शन फोर्स चेंज हो सकता है, ओके, बट न्यू सब्सटेंस का फॉर्मेशन ना हो, दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, फिजिकल चेंज। एग्जाम्पल evaporation of water, okay, what is this? Here liquid water when boiled converts into what, vapor, that is evaporation of water. Next one is freezing, okay, that is liquid water when the temperature is decreases converts into what, ice. This is also the form of what, water. The formula remains same, the composition do not get change, the composition of substance do not change. Like here the water is expressed by H2O, but it is liquid, so you will write only liquid state, but here it becomes ice, but again the composition is same, H2O, and we will write it what, solid, isn't it? This is called what, physical change. Properties or characteristics of physical changes. First one what, no new substance forms, that is by doing any activity or mixing elements or compound, the formation of no new substance takes place. Next one, only changes physical state, getting? Third one, no change in the composition, of substance, that is there is no change in the composition, okay, no change no change in main chemical properties. No change in main chemical properties. Getting? And main properties remains same. So this is called what? Physical changes. I can show you one of the activity. Okay, like here, this is a wax. Okay, the wax is also given there. This is a wax candle. Simply, wax is what? This is simply hydrocarbon. That is, it is made up of hydrocarbon. Now the hydrocarbon is in its a solid form. It is in its a solid form. Okay, that is physical state is solid. Now what I am doing? I am performing activity. What I am doing? I am burning the wick. Okay, and due to burning of wick, what happens here? The temperature develops near the wick. The wax which make contact directly with the wick, and you can see here, as the temperature increases, now the solid wax is start to convert into liquid wax. Look at here, it is converting into liquid wax, and look at here, here is a wax. Look at this is the solid is converted into liquid wax. One more activity is also takes place here. What? The liquid wax, due to the heat, absorption of heat, converted into vapor, and vapor is also one of the physical state of this wax. Look at, you can see here, see, this is liquid wax, isn't it? And now again it is getting what? Solidified. Means what? Physical changes are reversible. Okay, so one very important thing develop here. What? It, that is sixth number, it is reversible in nature. Reversible. How it is reversible? The solid wax first converted into liquid wax on heating, and then liquid wax, when cooled down, again solidified. This is called reversible. Means again retain its property. It is what? Reversible in nature. So this is about what? Physical change. Student, on the basis of this video and the notes given, you have to solve the question given in the NCERT. Many examples are given there, and you have to search which of the activity given in the questions will belongs to physical change. Okay. Now the next one is chemical change. Okay. whenever okay, any activity like increase in temperature, or mixing of two or more substances okay, takes place which results into formation of new substances, with different properties. with different properties, okay, called a chemical change. Called a chemical changes. Means what? Suppose any substance is heated or it is cooled down, or two or more substances are added together, and by doing so a new substance with entirely different chemical properties and chemical composition is formed. Such changes are called chemical changes. मीन्स यहाँ नए सब्सटेंस का फॉर्मेशन होगा जिसकी केमिकल कंपोजिशन और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी डिफरेंट होगी, जो हमने पहले एक्टिविटी के टाइम पे इन्वॉल्व किया हुआ था. इस तरीके के चेंजेस को क्या कहा जाता है? केमिकल चेंज. इज इट क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल, रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन मीन्स व्हाट? यदि हम किसी आयरन आर्टिकल को बाहर खुला छोड़ दें तो एटमॉस्फेयर में जो कंडीशंस हैं, जैसे मॉइस्चर है, गैसेस हैं, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ये क्या करेंगे? आयरन आर्टिकल के साथ में रिएक्ट करेंगे. ओके, और उस रिएक्ट होने के कारण उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज आपस में इंटरचेंज होगी, और जब प्रॉपर्टीज इंटरचेंज होगी, दैट इज केमिकल बिहेवियर इंटरचेंज होगा, तो एक न्यू सब्सटेंस का फॉर्मेशन होगा. आपने देखा है ना, रस्ट का कलर क्या हो जाता है? रेड ब्राउन कलर का हो जाता है. क्या लगने के बाद में? उस पर केमिकल रिएक्शन होने के बाद में. ओके, लाइक इफ वी मिक्स sodium chloride, okay, sodium chloride and silver nitrate, sodium chloride and silver nitrate. अब ये दोनों क्या है? इसका यदि हमने लिक्विड फॉर्म लिया, एक्वस फॉर्म, सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज व्हाट? कलरलेस. इसका भी यदि हमने लिक्विड फॉर्म लिया, सॉल्यूशन फॉर्म, सो दिस इज अगेन व्हाट? कलरलेस. बट जब हम दोनों को मिक्स किया, नाउ इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू व्हाट? सिल्वर क्लोराइड. सिल्वर क्लोराइड जो क्या बन गया? व्हाइट सॉलिड. व्हाइट सॉलिड. इस व्हाइट सॉलिड को कहा जाता है पीपीटी, मीन्स प्रेसिपिटेट. ओके, प्लस सिल्वर नाइट्रेट, सिल्वर क्लोराइड प्लस सोडियम नाइट्रेट, NaNO3. Space is less, therefore I am writing in this way, isn't it? So colorless two substances which are in liquid form, okay, that is aqueous form, when mixed together, now a new substance, silver chloride, is formed. And how do we find it? How do we observe it? By the formation of white PPT. And now if we see the composition of silver chloride, it is entirely different. Like silver nitrate, this is what? AgNO3. This is the composition. NaCl, it is what? NaCl, that is sodium chloride. But when it converts into new substance, now its formula becomes AgCl. Okay, and its formula is what? Sodium nitrate means NaNO3. So you can see here the composition. Earlier it was Ag and NO3, but now it becomes Ag and Cl. That is the new substance is formed. Student, by itself this compound now cannot be converted again into reactant, that is the previous substance. Therefore this is called irreversible in nature. So there are many examples. Okay, search more example from your book. Search more examples. Okay, now characteristics of chemical changes. Chemical changes. Okay, first one, okay, new chemical with new property forms, with new properties forms. Okay, their property will be differ as compared to earlier. Okay, like again I am explaining the same example. Look at here, I am burning a candle. I told you candle is a wax and wax is a hydrocarbon. See here. Now actually why do I am again showing the same activity? It is because burning of candle is the example of physical as well as chemical change. If you observe keenly, very neatly, you can see here what's going on. The solid wax is first converted into liquid wax. The liquid wax is converted into vapor wax, and now the vapor wax combines with atmospheric oxygen present around it. Okay, and liquid wax is hydrocarbon. So these hydrocarbons combines with what? Oxygen, and therefore it is forming new substance, what? Carbon dioxide. So look at here, the carbon dioxide and the water is getting formed in the atmosphere. You can see here atmosphere becomes now with carbon dioxide and water vapors. That means what? New substance is getting formed. Along with, you can see the same substance is solidified. That means this is the example of physical as well as chemical change, isn't it? Burning of a candle. So new chemical, what is the new chemical? Carbon dioxide and water with a new property. Now the property of carbon dioxide is just differ as compared to the hydrocarbon, and the property of water is also differ as compared to the hydrocarbon, that is the as compared to the wax. Therefore what we are saying, new chemical with new properties is formed. Okay, composition gets changed. Composition of chemical changes. Of chemical changes. Look at here, AgNO3, now it becomes AgCl. Okay, there may be change in state, change in physical state. Like wax is solid but carbon dioxide is a gas, that is the physical state is changed, but it is not necessary that always there will be change. Okay, there may be change. Fourth one, it is irreversible. Irreversible means the carbon dioxide and water which formed as a new substance will immediately by itself cannot convert again into wax. Similarly, AgCl and NaNO3 by itself and immediately cannot convert into NaCl and AgNO3. So these are the characteristics of chemical changes. Student, regarding this topic, many examples are given there in the form of questions. You have to solve all the questions, but very first write proper notes. Remember, you have to submit, okay, your notebook for correction. So immediately you have to write notes. You have to solve all in text questions. If you find any difficulty, you can ask to me.